This is Disneyland News Today. I'm Tom Corliss, and here now are the top Disneyland Resort stories for August 4th, 2022. With the Walt Disney Company celebrating its 100th anniversary next year with the 100 Years of Wonder celebration, cast member name tags will feature an extra bit of magic at the Disneyland Resort. An announcement was sent to cast members and Imagineers this week telling them that they'll be able to choose a character's name to put on a new name tag. The tags will be worn beginning in early 2023. According to the announcement, quote, hundreds of characters will be available to pick from, but not every Disney character will be included. Should a character not be selected by August 14th, Mickey Mouse will be used as the default. So get ready to see a lot of Mickey Mouse name tags next year. As of the publishing of our story, it's unclear if the new name tags will also extend to Walt Disney World or any other Disney parks around the world. You may remember that during the 100 Years of Magic celebration, beginning in 2001 in Florida, cast members could choose a favorite Disney character or film to be featured on their name tag. There's no word yet on if Walt Disney World will get the new name tags, as that'll be when the world's most magical celebration wraps up, roughly in March of 2023. We, of course, got new name tags for that. Disneyland Resort will once again transform into the merriest place on earth for the holiday season, November 11th, 2022 through January 8th, 2023. In Disney California Adventure Park, holiday decor will shine bright with a 50-foot tall Christmas tree on Buena Vista Street and an automotive holiday embellishment in Cars Land. The nighttime spectacular World of Color Season of Light will bring magic by fusing cherished holiday music with memorable moments from treasured Disney animated films. It's the first time that's back in several years. Through energetic live entertainment, culinary delights, and special traditions, the Disney Festival of the Holidays will highlight a diverse season of celebrations, including Christmas or Navidad, Diwali, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, and the Three Kings Day. Festival marketplaces across the park will serve a handcrafted menu of delectable foods and beverages. The fan favorite Sip and Savor Pass will return to taste your way through the 8 food or non-alcoholic beverage selections from participating marketplaces and dining locations. As part of Festival of the Holidays, you may also enjoy nightly holiday concerts at the Palisade Stage in Paradise Gardens Park. The jolly lineup of holiday entertainment continues with Mickey's Happy Holidays, a procession of Disney and Pixar characters dancing and marching to the upbeat rhythms of the holiday toy drummers. Meanwhile, the Disney Viva Navidad Street Party also returns. Returning this year to Paradise Gardens Park, you may choose to visit with Mirabelle from the Walt Disney Animation Studios' Encanto film, and Santa Claus will once again take residence at his rustic home in Redwood Creek Challenge Trail. Plus, the Yuletide spirit will shift into high gear in Cars Land with the return of Luigi's Joy to the Whirl and Mater's Jingle Jamboree. Disneyland Park will be adorned with festive holiday decor, including the iconic 60-foot tall Christmas tree on Main Street. Sleeping Beauty's winter castle will enchant from day to night with shimmering icicles and twinkling lights. And in Town Square, you may encounter favorite Disney characters in their finest holiday attire. Some will be debuting all new outfits. Meanwhile, Anna, Elsa, and Olaf from Walt Disney Studios' Frozen, along with Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Santa, and many other friends, will celebrate the season in a Christmas fantasy parade, a daily musical procession of floats, marching toy soldiers, dancing gingerbread cookies, and more. And in the evening, the festivities continue with the Believe in Holiday Magic Fireworks Spectacular, which features magical snowfall and colorful projections on Main Street and the facade of It's a Small World. Families will also be able to dance along with characters such as Goofy, Pluto, Chip and Dale, and others during nightly holiday dance parties at the Tomorrowland Terrace. 2 beloved Disneyland attractions will return with their holiday overlays. It's a Small World Holiday takes guests around the world as dolls and toys representing children enjoying the distinctive holiday traditions of their respective countries. And in New Orleans Square, Jack Skellington and his friends cause a collision between Christmas and Halloween to transform the Haunted Mansion into Haunted Mansion Holiday. Mark your calendars again. The holiday season kicks off November 11th. We arrived at Disneyland this week to find a special surprise, a whole smattering of hand pies and cookies available at the bakeries around Disneyland Resort. So we tried every single new pastry for ourselves. You know which ones are the best. Included in the new offerings are the guava hand pie, the raspberry hand pie, a blueberry hand pie, a lemon hand pie, and a strawberry hand pie. Those are all $5.49 each. As for the new cookies, there's a chocolate chip, an oatmeal raisin, and a double chocolate chip for $3.99 each. You could read the review on our website. You can also watch the review right here on our YouTube channel. Charlie always does a bang-up job with those. You can support the entire team behind this show and others, and as well those cookie and hand pie reviews, by joining the WDWNT Interglobe Society at patreon.com/WDWNT. Get access to exclusive content, discounted show and event tickets, and more. Special shout out to all of our WIGS members watching who make the show happen each and every week. Guests at the Disneyland Resort can choose wisely now that replicas of both the Holy Grail and the Crystal Skull from the Indiana Jones film series are both available. Both of these artifacts, which join the Fertility Idol and the Sankara Stone, can be found in the Adventureland Bazaar at Disneyland. The Crystal Skull is $250, but it does have a light-up effect. I guess that makes it worth $250. Meanwhile, the Holy Grail, $49.99. That's right. The Cup of Christ, $50. An alien skull, $250. You can pick them up now. I'm still on the fence. I want to see them in person before I decide if I'm going to buy them or not. I'm not sure yet. Everything old is new again at Disneyland Resort with the debut of a new balloon featuring art from Shanghai Disney Resort's past. It's the Mickey and Friends Tropical Island Balloon. It's $12. The balloon features Mickey and Minnie, Donald and Daisy, and Chip and Dale, all in tropically inspired outfits. The designs actually debuted in 2017 at Shanghai Disney Resort for its first anniversary celebration. The promotion returned in 2018 as Splashing Summer, but this art has since been retired. Mickey wears an outfit of leaves with a whimsical hat, while Minnie wears a pink and gold dress. And Chip is dressed like a bee, while Daisy wears an orange dress with a lei. Donald looks satisfied with his gold and green vest and a crown of leaves, and Dale appears below him dressed like a ladybug. The gang appears on the opposite side in more playful poses on a background of plants and tropical fruit. And of course, the balloon encases a classic Mickey ear balloon. I don't know, I'm sure it's a cultural thing. The Asian parks, their summer promotions, the characters are always wearing some sort of, I don't know, like leaf outfit or something with feathers, or it's Hong Kong, Shanghai, and Tokyo. They always have these very similar outfits. It's interesting. For the absolute latest Disneyland news, head on over to DisneylandNewsToday.com and follow us on all your favorite social media platforms, or even on TikTok. If you're enjoying the show, be sure to like this video, subscribe to WDW News Today on YouTube for more great content, and click the bell for notifications. Also, hit select all notifications so you never miss an episode of the show. For DLNT, this is Tom Corliss saying enjoy the rest of your today and have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. I'm going to go get a leaf crown. Wear it.
Welcome to Deep in the Plus. Each week, join host Rob Whiteside as he and a panel of Disney superfans take a different movie or TV show from the Disney Plus catalog. They'll tell you its history, details, and give their review, so you'll know if it's worth your time. Current shows, classic movies, and everything in between. Watch Deep in the Plus live Wednesday nights at 9 Eastern for new episodes, or catch Deep in the Plus anytime on YouTube on WDWNT TV.